As part of their support during the coronavirus crisis, Witton Lodge Community Association are using social media platforms to connect with people self-isolating across Erdington. Running sessions from Monday to Thursday, the online services can now be accessed through popular platforms such as WhatsApp, Zoom and Facebook Live.
So about 3 weeks ago, we established our digital World of Work and Wellbeing platform, and through that, currently we are supporting our Erdington residents with their health and wellbeing, employment and housing inquiries. As an organisation, we also understand that people might need support with benefits and financial kind of inquiries. We've understood as an organisation that it is very difficult for us to connect with people face to face, and I'm sure majority of the people, they realise that as well. So we chose the social media because they are free to use, and most of the residents, they already have either access to them or they already have accounts. So then we can provide them the current information, advice and guidance about agencies who are able to support them through these difficult times, as well as if they've got any further specialist support needs, we can also help them identify them too. All of the staff who are delivering current provision, they've got various years of experience, skills. We've got tutors who have been delivering accredited training for several years. They understand what individuals need, but at the same time, what we are providing is a more flexible and tailored approach. So the individuals who need health and wellbeing support, they can come in for a one-to-one session, or if they wanted to be a part of a group session, we can also tailor for that as well. We've also got leaflets and flyers, which get distributed through our food parcels. They can give us a call, they can get in touch with the advisors through their email addresses, they can get in touch with us through our social media, so Facebook, if they've got Twitter accounts, as well as our advisors are also promoting their mobile numbers as well, so they can WhatsApp them or send them a message, and the advisors, they can call them back.
The doors to social engagement swing both ways, and Witton Lodge Community Association have been reaching out to local residents via a weekly session on Facebook Live to continually address new issues facing people during lockdown.
It's all about connecting virtually, because now everyone's at home. We have to tap into a different, energy, a different frequency right now. So at the moment, with the live social Facebook session, we discuss things around benefits, universal credit, giving people access to employment opportunities that's now available during these times. And just a general conversation as well to create a social environment for people who want to share. So live socials every Wednesday 2 till 3, we're going live today. Anyone can tap in at any moment, so if they head over to the Witton Lodge Facebook page, they'll see the live video. All they have to do is just click on and join in. And how are people doing? How's everyone doing? Live social is all about, sharing positivity, sharing information that people can get through Witton Lodge Community Association, because we're also connected with a lot of other partners that are working in the community, within the Pericommon community, within the Erdington area. So any form of information that an individual may require or want access to, they can get that through Witton Lodge. Some of the things that have been raised actually are around employment. So people are looking for employment. Is there actually any employment available right now? There are some things that have been brought up, such as financial situations. People looking for help around, who can they speak to around budgeting to get that? Who can they speak to around rent or arrears, things like that? So there's quite a few areas also around, mental health as well. So, people, due to the crisis, people have been affected, their mental health's been affected, and they're looking for that support as well. People sometimes don't know what's available out there, and to have communities and organizations who can offer that kind of support, to reach out to someone who's self-isolating, to reach out to someone who may be lonely, it doesn't matter about background, or age or anything like that, to know that there's people out there and organizations out there that can support you during these times, either virtually, over the phone, via Skype, Zoom, any kind of digital platform is very important.
Using social media already established in people's day-to-day lives and embracing the reach of the World Wide Web, Witton Lodge Community Association hopes that the familiarity of these platforms will encourage everyone, young and old, to seek the help and support they need and keep an increasingly isolated community connected throughout the coronavirus crisis.